Hello everyone, today is World Water Day 2023 and I'm Mohammad Zafar Khan from NUS University. Here you can see the NUS University at my back, and my message is today that please take care of the water. Each drop of water is very essential for all of us to live life and to live healthy life, because there is the impure water is causing a lot of diseases, and due to this reason around the globe, over the world, there are many diseases like hepatitis, like so many diseases which is due to this water. And due to this water disease, we wish that the purity of water will be needed due to climate change. It was also the water is also getting the pure water, which is pure drinking water, is becoming dry, and saltish water becoming rise because of the climate change. And we from NUS University, I can say that please do not waste any single drop of water. Take care your water, and care it very, because if you save one water, you can give life to the innocent person who has not able to have a drinking water. So it is my message from NUS. And I wish that as the climate change, as the glaciers are melting down, it is a very horrible situation around the globe, globally, especially in Pakistan, where you can see in 2022 the flood is come, and we have wasted a lot of our pure water, and so many damages happen. And regardless damages, the purity of water is also down, and we wish that it was not repeated. And governments and international United Nations and all these IGOs and NGOs, internally, externally, will unitely, and the governments will be united to cope up with out of these issues, and we can able to resolve these issues. Because if we not resolve, due to sunlight, due to heat wave, our glaciers will be melted, and no water will be left for the other people for our generations and huge crisis of water will be the next after this other crisis we have suffered. So and the rate of the one like this, I have this bottle, its rate will be rises for at least $1 means 1 liter water. So it is very time to understand, and it is a time to negotiate. It is a time not to fight. Is not to stop the water, like we have the Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan. Because if one has stop, or it will block the water, it will influence our agriculture culture, and also not only humans but also plants, and also these cattles, because animals cannot live without water. And to take care our animals, to take care our humans, and take care our plants, we have to take care the water. And without water, and without this, and we have to find the other methods how to like Israel is doing very well, that they are making the saltish water into a pure water, drinkable water. So likewise this, we have to also take measurements, and hopefully we will overcome this issue, so that we can maintain our this and equate the water per person, per drinking water. So that, and its purity must be checked, and must be government licensed, each bottle like this, so that each brand will when they sell the water, so the person who purchase it, he will not have a fear that he can be he can be influenced by any disease, or his life will be in danger. So take care, and I wish that our tap water will be pure, so that these water bottles cannot be purchased. It can be free, and it can be drinkable, so that the burden on the extra on the humans. Because as you know, that after the corona versus COVID-19, the employment has been down, the people have no money, and they cannot buy even a water. So they have to negotiate, have to surrender themselves, and drink this water, which can cause them a disease. So this is also an alarming situation, and without because they want to feed their children. So I pray that God will help us, and we will overcome this. And this is not an overnight problem to be resolved. It is constant, and as much as we all together work and focus to help and focus our children's generations betterment, so that they have not have a crisis of climate water crisis, so that we can be overcome this issue. So this is my message from Nas University. So pray from my side, and God bless you all, and Pakistan Zindabad. Love you all. Stay blessed and happy World Waters Day. Bye.